guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, launch date, and features will be featured here. So ready your phone to take a screenshot and kindly check with your CAs for availabilities and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Rapier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, the Christmas animation by Louis Vuitton is almost here. I'm very excited to be sharing what we can pre-order really soon. This collection will be launching October 27th. For prices and SKUs, I will be sharing them once it's available. Also, there will just be two themes for this year, summer Christmas or winter Christmas. They will not be doing different countries. Also, good news is the collection will be available in classic monogram, the May Ebene, and the May Azure. Also, another great news is it would also include small bags and SLGs. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with the winter Christmas theme. Guys, I would also like to remind you that since this is launching October 27th, kindly contact your CAs immediately after this vlog. Check with them when you could pre-order this because I believe this would be going out really soon. So first we have the round bag charm. Material of this one is the monogram canvas. It features gold hardware and it has the Vivienne and Petula ski design. Next, we have the mini pochette accessoires. So this is part of the winter Christmas theme. The material on this one is the classic monogram canvas, and we are seeing that it do have the pink leather trims and definitely would have pink interior. It features gold hardware with gold chain, and the design is the Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston skiing in this very beautiful scenery. Next, we do have passport cover. It features monogram canvas and we are seeing there's a peaking of the pink leather interior. So it would feature 4 credit card slots, 1 flat pocket, 2 flying pockets, and the design we are seeing, it would feature Vivienne and Petula. Next, we have the very beautiful key clay of the winter Christmas theme. So the material is monogram canvas. It would definitely have the pink leather trims in the interior. It features gold hardware and gold chain, and we are seeing the very beautiful characters Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston as the design. So guys, this is one of the SLG that is sold out really quickly, so I suggest you get this really soon. Then we have the Victorine wallet. The material is monogram canvas and we are seeing pink leather trims and interior. So it would feature zipped coin pockets and it would also have a bill pocket, 2 flat pockets, and it definitely would have 6 card slots. The design, we are seeing Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston. So all cast character in this beautiful winter theme. Next, we have the Kirigami pouch. So honestly, this is the first time in my experience I'm seeing a Kirigami on the Christmas animation collection. So this features monogram canvas, pink leather trims, and we are seeing the small Kirigami. The design is Gaston. The medium is this one, the Petula, and then the large pouch is the Vivienne holiday theme. Next, we have a zippy coin purse for the winter theme. So this is the first, the May Ebene in this collection. It would definitely feature pink leather trims in the interior. So it features 2 large gusseted compartments. It has 2 inside flat pockets, business card slots. Then it would also have 4 card slots. The design is Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston skiing. Next, we have the Zippy wallet. The material is monogram canvas and definitely would have pink leather trims in the interior. It would feature 3 large gusseted compartments, open compartment for banknotes, zip coin pocket, 2 inside flat pockets, 12 card slots, and complete design characters Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston skiing on this very beautiful scene. What do you think of this very beautiful Zippy wallet? Next, we have the Romy card holder, still part of the Christmas or the winter theme. The material is monogram canvas. It would have pink leather trims in the interior. It would feature 3 card slots, zipper coin pockets. It would also have flat pockets, gold hardware, and we are seeing Vivienne and Petula ski design. Then we have the very beautiful Sarah wallet. Material is the Dame Ebene. We are seeing pink leather trims in the interior. It would feature 2 large gusseted compartments, 12 card slots, zip pocket, 2 inside flat pockets, outside flat pockets, gold hardware, and we are seeing on this Dame Ebene, Vivienne, we have Petula, and we have Gaston. Then we have round bag charm. So this is now, let us discuss the summer theme. So definitely it would still be the same feature, but definitely just different design. So this one, the material is monogram canvas. It would have gold hardware, and we are seeing Vivienne and Petula having fun in this very beautiful summery island. Next, we have the mini pochette accessoire for the summer theme. The material is monogram canvas, and you are seeing it has a pink leather trim, so it would definitely have pink interior, gold hardware. It also have gold chain, and we are seeing complete characters here, Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston enjoying this very beautiful island. Next, we have passport cover. So the main material is monogram canvas. I love the very beautiful and vibrant pink leather trims in the interior. It would feature 4 credit card slots, 1 flat pocket, 2 flying pockets. In the main design, we are seeing only Vivienne enjoying the summer season and enjoying a summer Christmas holiday. Then we have the key clay on the summer theme. So definitely this would sold out immediately, so get them right away. So it features gold hardware. The main material is monogram canvas. It also has gold chain, and we are seeing 3 characters enjoying the beautiful holiday on this gorgeous island over here. Next, we have Rosalie coin purse. The main material is the Dame Azure. It would have pink leather trims in the interior. It would feature gusseted compartment, and it would have outside back pocket, zip coin pocket, flat pocket, 2 card slots, and complete characters. We are seeing Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston enjoying the summer sun. Next, we have the classic card holder. The main material is monogram canvas, and the interior is beautiful, vibrant pink leather trim. It would feature outside card slots, and the interior would be a little bit bigger, so you could put more credit cards inside. The design, we are seeing Vivienne, Petula, and Gaston enjoying this very beautiful summer island. Next, we have Zippy wallet, main monogram canvas. It would have pink leather trims and interior. It would feature 3 large gusseted compartments, open compartment for banknotes, zip coin pockets, 2 inside flat pocket, and definitely 12 card slots. It features the three main characters, Vivian, Petula, and Gaston, enjoying the summer season for holidays. Then, saving the best for last, first we have the very beautiful Felicie Pochette. The theme is summer Christmas theme. Main material is monogram canvas with pink leather trims and interior. It features gold hardware and a beautiful detachable gold chain. Definitely it would come with 2 inserts. And who is enjoying this summer theme, showing Vivian, Petula, and Gaston in this very beautiful island. Next, this one, I am surprised with this collection. So now they would be releasing a Nano NOE for the Christmas Animation Collection. So the theme of this one is Summer Christmas. The main material is the Demi Azure, and it has a pre-treated vachetta leather. So the vachetta top handle and strap is fully detachable, and they're also pre-treated. It has drawstring closure, gold hardware, and we are seeing Vivian summer design. And last but not the least, we have the very beautiful NANO SPEEDY. So the theme is winter Christmas. The main material is monogram canvas with pre-treated vachetta leather trims and top handles and leather strap. It has gold hardware, and what I love about this one is that the design is very minimal. So I feel that up far you could wear this not just for Christmas but for any season. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So what did you think of the up-and-coming bags from Louis Vuitton? If you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, what are your thoughts regarding the new collection? Are you adding anything to your wish list? Definitely, I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!